Ada! Ada!
Hola! What is this? Why are you shouting my name like that?
So you are inside. When bomb will land in this our land, you'll be inside sleeping. Like a pregnant woman. Marry now, let's know that you are married. You are living with a man. You don't want to get married. Let's go.
Hola, why are you talking like this? Why are you talking about bomb? By the way, did I see husband and I did not marry? Let's go where, by the way?
Let's go. English teacher bought an iron horse that will be taking him round the village. Everybody is there already. Let's go.
Hey, that is wonderful.
I pray that God will give this iron horse long life because it's old already. I shall also give it power to be able to be carrying its master around the village and beyond.
And let it serve its master and respect him. And we, the elders that seniors it.
Listen. Because of respect I have for my elders that I'll be taken up from when they are gone, I will say thank you for coming to honor my iron horse. But one thing I will not take is when you refer to my iron horse, when you introduce and point hands at my iron horse and say my iron horse is old. Listen, my iron horse is not old. This thing is still brand new, all the way from Europe. Listen, with this, I can travel to Queen Elizabeth's country. It is called bicycle. If you don't know, you know.
Bicycle.
Oh, there he go again. Why are you bicycling my iron horse? No. Why are you calling it? You don't pronounce it like that. That is not Queen Elizabeth's English. Do you understand? When you want to pronounce it, you bend your mouth. You kink it, you pan it. You pronounce it from the 360 degrees of your tongue. And keep your mouth the way Oyibo that made it. Keep their mouth to pronounce it. You don't bicycle it. It is called bicycle. Now watch and see. I go this way. Don't mind it. Are you seeing it? Hey! You don't touch my iron horse in that manner. Just watch. Just watch me. Yes! You see? I'm moving. Yeah! This thing can take me here. Can take me from here to anywhere in the world I want to go. As a matter of fact, all of you, all of the villagers, I can carry everybody here if I want. Hey! So you should respect my iron horse. Yes, thank you very much.